Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dr. HC coming with another video. And in this video, I'll be doing a model unboxing. Haven't done one of these for a while, but decided to do one today. Got two new models here from the GeminiJets new releases that I'm going to be unboxing here today. So yeah, we'll pretty much get right into it here. Here is the order list. I won't show the models, so it's kind of a surprise for you guys when I pull them out. But here at the bottom, there's just a little personalized note. Thank you so much for being a loyal customer. So that's nice of them. And yeah, we'll pretty much get right into it. So here on top, you just have a bunch of packing peanuts. So we'll just take those out. And then under that, I'm sure you guys can already see, we have the United E175 in the new livery. The box is a little beaten up over here, but okay, it's good enough. Here, so yeah, this is the new livery, United EOJ-175 for United in the new livery. And there's the model in there. It looks great. And then you have the thing up there. So then we'll go to the next model, which is down here, which is the United A319 in the new livery. So here is this one, which looks great. And then you have the top flap on this one. And that is it. There's a big layer of paper and more packing peanuts down there. But so these are the two new models I got, two new livery Uniteds. Looking to get more models soon. Probably will be about a month or two, so more new models coming. Yeah, I do have models though, and you may be like, well, GeminiJets isn't making models. Yes, I do know that, but I have models that they've already released that I want to get that I never got. So I'm just gonna go and get those now. And you know, part of me is like, I hate that GeminiJets is not releasing, but it also lets me catch up on the old releases that I didn't get. Like a lot of the Delta, like the Delta A350, I never got, and I really need that model. Also the A330-900 Neo, and a couple others there are. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that pretty much wraps up this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.